Assalamu alaikum. We are doing a science activity, pencil through a bag of water. For this required things are sharp pencils, ziploc bag and water. Today we are going to learn about the science of polymer. First of all, approximate half fill the ziploc bag with water and seal it. Now let's check what will happen when I poke the pencil through the bag of water. The water is not leaking. Now I am repeating with more pencils on various parts of the bag. Let's try how many pencils I can poke in the bag of water. Now you can see 24 pencils in a bag of water and water is not leaking. Actually, plastic is made from polymer, long chain of molecule. When I poke the pencil through the bag of water, it move apart. But then the flexibility of the polymer push back toward the pencil and make a temporary seal. I hope you like this activity.